really happy with how my hair turned out. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll stop spraying it.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
And this needs to go in the warmer than the lid?
Okay. It's backwards. No, it's like barely backwards. Turn it around.
Oh.
Switch hands. Yeah. Okay. Get it? Oh my gosh, that's so fast. Yay. Such a good boyfriend. Okay. Okay. And then there's me and my shoes, my Alex non-usable hair. Oh, let me try on that lipstick.
We'll put
Red.
these on.
I just don't know if red's honestly gonna look good with this dress.
I think you could.
I'm gonna try.
I really like that.
Yeah, it actually looks pretty
I
good.
really like that.
Me too. I got him in order.
Oh.
I need the help. Sorry.
Open first, right?
Yeah.
And then what's next?
And then last. Where's the other part of this box?
Oh, it's right here. Laugh, you said?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then because I am a girl. And then Young and Strong. The silver one. Sorry, I like stabbed you with my nail.
No, you didn't.
Okay. And then the penguin. I just think that's it.
Well, or you could use that as part of our donation. This is part of our time.
And then Tink.
Treasure. Well, we don't have treasure.
Tink is silver. It's gold, yeah. And then it all started with a mouse. Oh, this one's good. Yeah. And then my A and J. Perfect. We're all good. Thanks, babe.
You got everything in here?
Yeah. I haven't vlogged yet today. Sorry, guys, but I haven't vlogged yet today. Okay, yeah, the red does look really good. Look at, he's using EOS, real man. He's using the pink one.
Tastes tastes and smells great. Yummy. You said you're kidding me?
Oh yeah, and then those are the shoes I'm wearing. Oh yeah, we're pretty much like ready to go now. Guys, it's snowing. It's snowing! And I'm happy, but that's because I'm not from here. It looks so pretty! Going to Rainforest. Going to Rainforest. Going to Rainforest. Cafeteria. Got your icy.
Algonquin address. We are neighbors.
Really?
Right there on the border of Algonquin and like Carpentersville.
Oh, wait, like
Wow.
25 and
Yeah.
in Algonquin Lakes or in
No, in
Carpentersville?
Carpentersville.
Off the, where? Like off the Keene or?
Yeah, well, you go down the hill. Old Carpentersville.
Okay. Yeah, we're right off Lake, like, take Laird Marion and turn on Sanborn and go down that way.
Icy
Like
twins.
towards Algonquin Road.
So that's the, we call that the bumpy road. I don't know why. Have no idea why, but
It's funny.
that's
I wonder what the difference is. Well, they're adorable. Oh, one's their English shirt. What are the differences? Mama monkey, she has a baby.
them know you had
Look at our table. She has zebras on it.
Don't bring your food out.
It's adorable. And look at that zebra.
Because I don't want them to cook anything with cutting onion or. Yeah.
Oh, look at the panda.
What are you debating between?
Well,
And look, we're right by the fish tank.
It's the best Parmesan chicken ever. Ever. It is so good.
that, the chicken fried chicken.
What'd you get to eat?
Planet Earth or the last pasta.
burger.
But I'm more apt to make pasta.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go to the chicken fried
That's my like
Under 300. Yeah, could you find it? Could you believe it?
Okay, gas. Perfect.
There's,
Give that to
there's
me.
shell, right?
Panera.
Are you getting all these pictures?
I love it.
Well, I'm recording if you want to get the pictures.
Okay, let me get a picture. Okay.
That's so cool.
Because the other one that I found, that was the only one I could find in Ireland. And I bought it, and then I'm looking. I was in 3 stores, and I finally found one. I thought, I don't care how young it is, it has Snow White.
Yeah.
I need a birthday card that's granddaughter with Snow White. I need a Snow White card. That's what I was looking for. Did you see it? Well, yeah. You signed it, didn't you? Didn't Grandpa sign it?
I don't know, but I can't open
You want me to open this for you?
I'm sure he did. Yes, he signed it.
Yeah, say break this here. You hold that?
Yeah. Open it.
I didn't touch it. I didn't wanna...
So if anything's wrong, we'll have to change it.
Oh, you got a butter knife?
No, it's good. You just left it.
Okay, perfect.
No, it's good.
Because then she opens it.
Oh my gosh, it's all official.
Oh, I see.
She picked them out.
That's the box all mine came in.
I'm gonna keep the box.
Yeah, I do.
Yes, they gave me the white one.
No, nice.
Okay. Oh, they're pretty.
Oh, I love the wrist strap.
I want to advise you, there's onion in the Thousand Island dressing. Okay. Do you want it with no thousand? You know,
It came in a bag too.
That's what mine came in too. They all do. Those are just like instructions. No, yeah, this is use this bag to clean them.
Okay.
Don't use anything else. Or you'll scratch them.
Oh my gosh. I'm so excited.
have you tried this out?
Yeah.
And then Harley bought the same pair.
Anybody else? Is there there's onions in this too?
Let's see. Perfect.
Oh, that's okay. It's everybody else.
Damn, girl.
It's just me.
Let's see, baby.
No onion, no cheese.
You have to return it. It doesn't match.
I'm sorry.
I'm so excited.
Do you want fries? Postal has onions in it. Yeah, no, give me. No. I'll take the fries.
Oh my gosh. I love them so much. In the bag. And then
Just keep them away from Boone and go.
Yeah.
And cats. And cats. All right.
yay! I'm so excited.
My camera can't take pictures.
So let's do this
Send it to
first.
Dad?
I did.
Okay, that's fine.
The mustard. Vineyard Vines. Oh, I love this color.
Lime green. What is it?
It's Vineyard Vines.
Okay. All right.
Isn't that what we thought was the wine store?
Yeah.
Sounds like one.
No, it's a very expensive clothing store.
Harley's gonna be like, your mom copied me.
And you showed Amy Ostrowski that trip and you told her about it?
Basically what it is, it's a sports shop for people on marketing. And it got to be so popular.
Just like the black dog.
Oh my god! What is it? That's adorable! I'm trying to think of what it's called. No, it's not the Elsa top. What is it? I'm trying to think which one it is. It's not the Elsa.
From Frozen, you mean?
No,
That's right.
not
I
from
was thinking
Frozen.
that
That's a $300 top.
Yeah, this
Did you pay
is probably like
$300?
$360.
Well, is it all hand embroidered? That's
I
why.
can make that my basement.
No, it's a Lily.
It's Lily Pulitzer, that's why.
Oh, okay.
This isn't the Elsa though. I don't know which one this is. Oh my gosh, that's so exciting.
And it's a 0, so.
Yeah, perfect.
Did I see it? Let me-
Yeah.
I think that, it looks like it is. You know,
It's a $360 top.
I know what this
I hope that's intended to be just a top.
is. Naked Two Faces.
Release the hoppers. Okay.
Yay!
Oh, you got it.
Yeah, Mom, you got it for me.
Go to one of your car. You know, I somebody just into your check, okay? And we work any other with you with the honey allergy, okay? For you.
right. Thank you.
Oh my goodness, I just got this in pants. I just got this in pants.
Oh, from Play-Doh?
Yes! Oh my gosh, the chinos. Are these, yeah, these are the chinos. I'm so excited. I literally just got these in pants. Oh my gosh.
It was about the land. I got a birthday.
That is so exciting. Thank you, Mommy.
No, I just he did. So I gave it right to Kiki for her granddaughters.
Sure, if you want.
Because there was no sense in.
Does it look okay?
No, it's amazing.
Oh my gosh,
I
eBay.
saw a few beautiful Lily Pulitzer dresses, but they still wanted $200 for it. This top I thought was adorable.
I love it.
And it's in perfect condition. I mean, it's like mint.
Oh yeah.
Probably one of those things that there are those people that buy things and they wear it.
Oh, it's Disney. It's Snow White.
That's awesome.
That's so fun. It's a Snow White puzzle.
Oh, how lovely.
That's so fun.
It's one of those things you can put it together and then you can frame it.
Yeah, definitely.
Joanne's does custom framing. You know, take it framed.
And the shorts are normally at Vineyard like $89.95, $109.
Yeah, the shorts, whale of a sale right now is going on, so everything's 50% off. Harley got a pair of shorts that were still $90, and that's 50%
And I
off.
got them for $30.
But it's Harley's though.
Well, that's Amy Ostrowski when they go, because they have relatives on the Cape. When they go, she budgets it in a brand new tote bag from Vineyard Vines because it's her favorite store. But even the tote bags are $100.
She got a tote bag. She
She
has.
gets a tote bag every year.
I'm jealous.
Well, I'll look for on eBay. There were tote bags on eBay.
Were there?
We have to do the pig.
That's straight from the store, so you gotta, it's all taken to a flight.
Because there was no way I knew it was paid for free, so I was just eBay, it's great.
That Lily Pulitzer is gorgeous.
I saw it and I was like, oh my god, that's what Amy does. It's so beautiful.
That's why it's so crazy that Lily partnered with Target because her stuff is so expensive.
She took us on the roller coaster store at Memphis, and it's like really pretty. Rich people gotta shop somewhere.
I love the pink door.
And then they sell it on eBay and I buy it.
Yeah.
Even the t-shirt.
Straight knife. That's clean.
Even the t-shirt.
Oh god.
Let's see. Oh, it's lip balm. That's cool. That's so cool.
Because Cindy's
Look at that little cute little Snow White. Oh yeah, that's so cute.
There's something else in there.
Doesn't look like it. No, there's not. Oh, there it is. Oh yeah, Kuna Matata. Kuna Matata.
What is it?
Another bracelet.
Another bracelet.
I
wish it was the 80-part one.
I was going to buy it and I'm waiting. You said Easter, so I'm waiting.
I know, because I don't want to jinx it.
This one I think is gold.
They're all gold.
Oh,
But I don't have
I haven't gotten the name of the sorority, but I thought I won't wait.
Look at the cute box.
Yeah, I know, I saw.
I'll wait until we
Look at So if you get the 80 pie one, should I get it for you in silver then?
Yeah. Well, I wanted, like, from now on, I want silver, but this one didn't look good in silver because, like, the animals, they look better in gold.
And brown.
Yeah.
It was a third color. They were just two-tone. And we won. It's not real. Mine's just a fake. It's fake.
What do they call them?
Alex and Ani.
And she wants us a hospitality. Does it have ears on it too?
Yeah, it does.
Shoulders?
Yeah.
Aww. These are from
Alright, now I have yours.
No.
Now I have Justin's.
As opposed to,
Yeah, they're just lip balm. Oh, thank you. Alright, I'm excited to see what this is.
I hope so.
Well, you've done good so far.
Yeah, it's seriously.
yeah, boy, are you lucky.
For the necklaces.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. That's so pretty.
God, they're beautiful.
Yeah, mommy. She's like, oh, give me them.
Bling, 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 bling. Put those on my ear. Beautiful.
Now what you can do is actually, you see the outside of it?
Yeah.
That's actually rose gold diamonds.
Rose gold.
And you can actually, if you wear them, you can take that part off and just wear the pink studs, or you can wear them with that.
That's really
Like
cool.
a cuff or whatever they call it.
Is it an amethyst?
What's
that?
What color is it?
It's pink sapphire. I'm with their necklace.
Thanks, babe.
Justin, we're going to have to talk offline about setting the bar.
Zales, they didn't have it. So we're like, and this is like in Woodfield. So we're like, okay, like what do we do? And so we're looking up, like as we're like driving around Woodfield, like looking up like jewelry stores. And then we go to Jared. They didn't have them. And so I'm like, well, this is ridiculous. Like I can't find it. And then we went to one other one after Jared, and then finally went to Hellsberg. And like they actually had their stones in their own like category.
Yes.
They had the pink sapphire, blue sapphire, like they had like all of them. I saw that was the first thing I saw. Yeah, and by color.
So is it all one collection? Oil and dirt in the middle.
Thunderstorm. Okay, that's fine.
No, a toothbrush would be too.
No, you use a toothbrush.
Oh, it says use a soft cloth.
No, you use a toothbrush.
Want me to do it?
Okay,
Yeah.
Alright.
a couple of my friends.
Happy birthday. You guys want to help us happy? On the count of three. Come on, let me see that you're happy. Happy birthday from all of us. You.
special, and Daddy is real, real. Touch on it, be great, so happy, happy birthday from the first cafe. Woo! Happy birthday.
So brave. He offered.
I'm trying to avoid the insulin. So I take 3 medications.
What are the 3 that you take?
Sorry, Justin, I'm killing it. Metformin is the ones that are known are metformin. I take glimepiride.
Yummy.
And there's a new one out that they have an ad about that my doctor wanted me to try. It's called Farxiga.
And what does it do? It helps process the sugar, the body sugar.
Something. I don't know if they're diabetes. They're for diabetes.
Perfect.
I'm not sure what they all do, but
Yeah, because
It looks so good.
we missed a oh no, there's chocolate on it.
No, it is chocolate.
I don't think we need the cupcake inserts.
No.
Oh crap.
I literally do that all the time. Oh, and did I tell you the top of my fridge is matte now because I literally spilled a whole bottle of nail polish remover on top? Right. So it's matte. It's not shiny anymore.
There you go. There's one little box.
Story of my life.
Oh crap. No.
And now it has chocolate on it.
Chocolate everywhere. Oh, lemony. Because I cut all the lemons.
Oh yeah, because your hands are all lemony. There and there. So excited.
Oh God, what do I do now? The packaging's weird.
Oh my goodness!
What is it?
I love those. Wait.
Nope, don't look in. You can't look inside.
Can't look
open
in.
it. You gotta open it.
Okay. Donatello! You got me Donatello!
Here.
Oh my goodness.
Click that.
Donatello!
It's your